Welcome, everyone. You're watching Kavu Creative. Today, we'll create an eye-catching geometric design from simple shapes. With Adobe Illustrator, we'll make a modern pattern called Abstract Interlock Design. Let's get started. Double-click on Artboard tool. In the Display section, turn on Show Center Mark. Click OK. We'll create this pattern using only the stroke. So, remove the fill color. Now select the rectangular grid tool. Press and hold the Alt key. Then click on the center mark. Set both the width and height to 300 pixels. Enter 7. For the horizontal dividers, set the vertical dividers to 7 as well. Finally, click OK. Select the pen tool. Hold the Shift key to keep the line straight. Now hold the Control key. Click anywhere outside the artwork to end the path. Next, join both endpoints. Select all the objects. Switch to the Shape Builder tool. Convert the stroke into a fill. When you see the plus icon, the shapes are ready to merge. Right-click and select Ungroup. Select all the artwork. Hold the Shift key. Then click the part you want to keep. Now press Delete to clear the remaining lines. Select everything. Open the Rotate tool. Hold Alt. Then click the center point. Type 90 degrees. Click Copy. Press Ctrl D 2 more times. Select all the objects. Switch to the Shape Builder tool. Drag across the shapes you want to merge. Now, our abstract interlock design is complete. Let's add the colors. With the Eyedropper tool, to select a shape, hold the Control key. It will automatically switch to the Selection tool. Release the Control key to return to the Eyedropper tool. You can also use your own favorite color combination. Select everything again. Open the Object menu. Choose Expand. Leave Fill and Stroke checked. Then click OK. Open Pathfinder. Click Divide. Pick the Magic Wand tool. Click the white border. Press the Delete key to remove it. Nice work! Your design is now complete. Keep exploring. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like. For more Illustrator tutorials, subscribe to Kavu Creative. Keep practicing. Every new design helps you grow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Until next time, stay creative.